Hi, I'm Nicky from Fine and Country Leamington Spa, and I'm here with your market update for August. It's fair to say that the usual summer holiday lull hasn't quite been the same this year, as the market has continued to remain buoyant. Consumer confidence remains high, with low mortgage rates and a further increase in the availability for high loan-to-value mortgage products. The first half of 2021 was the busiest ever recorded in the housing market, with over 880,000 houses changing hands. The highest monthly total of sales ever recorded took place in June, with nearly 200,000 sales, which is over twice the June average from 2011 to 2019. The latest monthly index produced by Nationwide reports that the average price of property in the UK rose by 10.5% in the year to July, with the West Midlands seeing a 15.6% annual average price increase. The supply and demand imbalance has been most acute for larger homes, those with 4 or more bedrooms, which has led to those properties experiencing the largest price growth. Rightmove reported a 39% surcharge in 4 or more bedroomed properties versus a 15% fall in stock levels coming to the market in the first half of 2021 when compared to 2019. In the prime market, average prices have risen by 11%, with housing market activity expected to remain buoyant over the summer months and into September, especially given the incentive for purchases to be completed and avoid those additional taxes. However, with that in mind, there is still a suggestion that price growth may edge downwards towards the end of the year, but it does look set to remain in positive territory. Thank you very much for watching, and if you would like a free valuation, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.